How to change voice on Discord mobile. Firstly, open Play Store in your device. If you are an iPhone user, then you can open App Store. Then go to the search bar and type in Voice Changer. Now search for Voice Changer and a lot of Voice Changer application will be shown to you. From here, you can download any of the application that you like. But if I have to recommend you something, then I would recommend this application. It's called Voice Mode Desktop Controller. This voice mode works completely fine for desktop as well as mobile device. Another app that I want to recommend you is Voices AI. This app uses AI to change your voice. You can change your voice to any celebrity or any cartoon characters or anyone that you like. So choose your application and install it to your device. After that, open the app that you have downloaded. Then set up the voice changer app by selecting the voice that you like to change. After that's done, and then open your Discord app. In Discord app, you will see an interface like this. From here, tap on the servers icon that is in the bottom panel. Here you can add a server or join a server that you like. Now when you try to send a voice message or you try to call them, then your voice will be changed automatically. But before that, you need to connect the application that you have downloaded from the Play Store to your Discord app. You can easily do that from settings. And after you have connected these two, then your voice changer app will work fine. So this is how you can change voice on Discord app. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then please drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content.